Alright there, viewers, here we are at Camp Gospel here, and we're getting hit by this extremely strong winds here. You can see Gospel Lake there in the distance over here, and we got these Arctic air starting to move into the area. It's getting, the temps are dropping rapidly here, and we got, look at the dining canopy, got the one corner got tore out, the grommet there, so it's just flapping. I tried to repair it, but I couldn't though because it's just way too windy. So here we are at Camp Gospel here. Here's the tent here. It's being pummeled by these high winds here. Yeah, this is getting, it's freezing out here, viewers. We'll talk about extreme temperatures now. These temperatures are dropping rapidly here. So this tent is being pummeled here. So we're going to just take a look here. Yeah, but the tent's holding up. Praise the good Lord for that, though. In spite of everything, we have a little snow flurry coming down here. But this is it, the Stoic Madrone tent. Yeah, it's just it's getting pretty bad out here. Temperatures are dropping rapidly. The Arctic air is moving into the area now. So you can see the dining canopy just being it's starting to get tore. Yeah, these winds are real high here. They kind of gust, they come and go. It's just awful what's going on here. So I'll get back to the tent. Yeah, this is Camp Gospel here. You see trees coming down. Wow. Trees are coming down. Oh, this is awful. This is rough here. Rough weather. This is brutal. Yeah, I guess I could escape to my brother's house if I wanted to. But I didn't want to really go there with my brother. I don't want to be there too much, you know, because of his, you know, he's just a renter and he got rules about gas and nights and all that, so I didn't really want to bother him too much. But you can see the tent here. It's being pummeled here. You see some snow coming down. This is getting extreme here. The temps are going to be like below zero at night, I believe. You have the wind chills and all that. So, okay. So, that's it. I'm just showing the campsite here. The Stoic Madrone tent holding up to the high winds here. So 3-season tent only. But thank God it's holding up. My poor dining canopy is not doing too good though. Not at all. Yeah, just out here. The ground's starting to harden up. It's getting bad out here. Wow, look at the big trees coming down and yeah. Big branches coming down. So let's get back in here. It's too cold. Yeah, the winds are gusting up to like 60 mile per hour. I'm gonna have to fix that, but not now. Let's get back in here. It's just getting way too cold. Let's get back in this tent here. Okay. Alright, I think I got it. Oh, it's cold. It's cold, I tell you. Yeah. It is what it is. This is great weather here though. Shoes got wet yesterday, so the insides are so I have to dry them out. Yeah, it's not easy. Cold temperatures here. Gotta get some video here though, so you can see inside the tent here. Okay. Oh, this is brutal though. Shocks back in here. So I'm gonna hibernate, I think. Today's gonna be a hibernating day. I got some batteries, some oldies, some alkaline, so rechargeables die out. I'll be in the tent probably for a week. Okay. Alright there, viewers, so this is life here at Camp Gospel. It's not easy, but hanging in there. The tent seems like hanging in there too, so far. So I'm thankful for it. Yeah. Okay. That's it for now, dear viewers. So God bless you. See you in the next video. As the wind is getting colder and colder here. So, all right.